If Grammarly is showing a script error, don't worry. This is usually caused by a temporary hang between your browser and Grammarly's servers, or by another extension interfering with Grammarly in the background. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick and easy fix step by step so you can get Grammarly working again without guessing or wasting time. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's start with the first fix. Open your browser and go to chrome://settings/content. This is where you can manage site permissions and stored data, and it's one of the best places to clear out anything that may be causing Grammarly to behave incorrectly. Once the settings page opens, look for the option that says View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. Click that to see the list of websites and their saved data. Now in that list, find every Grammarly related entry. You may see multiple results, especially if you've used Grammarly in different browser sessions or across different pages. Next to each Grammarly entry, click the trash can icon to remove it. This clears out old permissions and stored site data that can sometimes get stuck and cause the script error. After deleting those entries, you've already removed one of the most common causes of the issue. Now let's refresh the Grammarly extension itself. Go to the top right corner of your browser and click the extensions icon, which usually looks like a puzzle piece. This menu shows all the extensions installed in your browser. Find Grammarly in the list, then toggle it off. Wait a second or two, then switch it back on. This simple refresh can help reset the extension and reconnect it properly. If Grammarly was temporarily frozen or its browser session had become unstable, this step often clears it right up. After turning it back on, try using Grammarly again in the document or web page where the error appeared. In many cases, the script error disappears immediately after the extension is refreshed. If the problem still continues, it's a good idea to check whether another extension is conflicting with Grammarly. Extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or script managers can sometimes interfere with how Grammarly loads. You can test this by temporarily disabling other extensions one by one and then checking Grammarly again. If Grammarly starts working after disabling a specific extension, then you found the conflict. Also, make sure your browser is up to date because older browser versions can cause compatibility issues with extensions. A quick browser update can solve a surprising number of extension problems. Once your browser is updated, reload the page and test Grammarly again. At this point, you should have either fixed the issue or at least narrowed down the cause. The key steps are clearing Grammarly's stored data and permissions, then refreshing the extension so it can reconnect cleanly. If needed, you can also test for extension conflicts and update your browser for the best results. If this guide helped you fix the Grammarly script error, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.